love this one more. It's a bigger box. So thanks to Joanna and her help.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much. Let's go. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ampofo. And I thought before I step out for dinner, why don't I just finish this off and then we can head out to dinner. So let's do this. Tell you love my hair, and that's Cavian hair. It's my brand. I am trying to build, and maybe you should get the time to check it out. So on Instagram it's Cavian hair, on Twitter it's hair Cavian, and on Facebook it's Cavian hair. So do check it out when you have the time. Let's proceed. Now our new baby, do we still do a drum roll? I don't think so. Oh, there she is. Okay, that's our baby girl. Talking of the box, very durable for travel, so in case you're trying to ship it, don't be so concerned, your bag will land in safe hands. And the baby girl, okay, she's in her bed. There she is in her comfortable bag. So that's our new sexy lady in the house. Woo, give it up, give it up. Woo. Now this is my Celine belt bag, micro in ruby red, and so far, yeah, I'm loving it. So first things first, this is the micro. So this is a 24 by 20 by 13 centimeter, which is a size bigger than the one we had before that was in the light khaki, which is the nano, which was 20 by 20 by 10. And then there's a newly introduced size, which is the pico, which was launched in 2014 but recently brought out about a year ago, which is the pico. Now that is a very small size, so before you pick up your Celine, just know what exactly you're going for. I'm talking about the belt bags. And now moving on, so it has two openings. That's the cover flap in silver hardware, and a zipper section, so also in silver hardware. Let's go in. I am so fascinated by the suede interior feel. And not forgetting, our strap has a Celine engraved here. So I'm going to attach it. And attach it. And then of course, another opening for our small stuff. I'm about to wear it and we will see how it goes. So that's my beautiful Celine on the side as our everyday handbag. And then we will do a shoulder sling on the shoulder. Not bad at all. And also across the body. I'm actually liking the color cacophony, the pink and the red. I mean the fuchsia and the red. I'm liking this. Okay, now moving on. A few differences between the micro and the nano that I have noticed. The micro, what's the name? The cover flap fits inside and then comes up when you try to open, whilst the nano is just a magnet feel. So this one has to go in a bit before you lock it up, or slide it down a bit and then the button comes off. Secondly, I like the extra zipper here. Just gives you more room, plus yeah, the size It's a real factor to consider so you don't get disappointed on what exactly you would want. The last size of the CÈLINE collection, it's the mini. It's the mini, which is this size, bigger than the micro. And last but not the least, we all know how to maintain our CÈLINE. It's a pandemic season. That does not mean you shouldn't use your hand sanitizers, but whenever you use it, make sure it's completely dried off your palm before you hold your bag, and don't rub them against abrasive surfaces, because we all know what will happen. It will damage the bag. So before I leave, how do we look together? I know we look very good together. Anyway, I will leave you enjoy your day whilst I go enjoy my CÈLINE. Enjoy your day.